Hi friends, today I am going to tell you a true video about how to play guitar on Indian songs. I will give a description in this video, so please check it out. I will teach you one song now in this video. It is supposed to be just a simple video, and the song we will try to do now is Chura Liya Hai, right? I am a student of 8th class. My name is Swasti Garg and I am from Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh in India, right? And the song is like 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. If you are a beginner, this song will help you a lot. This song we start from the chord A minor. For beginner, A minor chord is first finger on first fret second string, and the second finger on second fret fourth string, and the third finger on third string, like this, on the same fret second, and then the sound is like. Okay, but in this song we have to left out the first finger and we have to leave only these two fingers, 2 and 3. Okay, understand? And then the sound is like. The strumming of the song is up, down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the second, we have to change the chord, and the second chord is the third finger on fourth string third fret, and the second finger on third string second fret, and then the sound is like. The strumming is same as in the first chord, like this. Up, down, 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 down. Okay, and then like this. Okay, and then we have to pick up this first chord, and then we have to strum like basically noodly. Noodly means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and after this this tune came. It is like we have to pick up the first chord, and the tune is like 4, 3, then 1, and then we have to put our first finger on first fret second string, and then open. That's the minor. Okay, like this. 4, 3, 1, 2, and to open. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have to strum these both 5th and 6th strings to make the song real, to make the original sound. Okay, then we have to pick up the second chord. Same, second chord is on the third finger on fourth string third fret, and the second finger on second fret on third string. Sound like, yeah. and the strumming are same. 4 3 but we don't have to strum 1. We don't have to strum. We have to strum 4 3. Then, as in A minor, we have to put our first finger on second string. Okay. First 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1. Okay, and then we have to strum one first finger, basically neatly but slow. 1 2 3 4, and then we have to make the third fourth string open. In the whole tune, the second finger remains on third string second fret, like this. Okay, we have to do 1 1 2 3 4, fourth open, then third, and we have to then put the first finger on third string first fret, and then the third chord came. The third chord is the first finger on third string on the first fret, and the second finger is on fourth string second fret, and the sound is like. We have to do it basically neatly, yeah, but very slow. From the beginning up to this tune, the song is like. Okay, firstly we have to hear the song, what is the tune of that song, and then this tune came. It is like we have to pick the first chord, okay, and then we have to strum the third string twice, 2 times, and then fourth, and then we have to make the third string open. Okay, we have to do it 2 times, and then 3 4. Okay, and then we have to strum 4 times. Okay, then चुरा लिया है, the main purpose of the song. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम. It's like we have to put our first finger on third string second fret, chu. Okay, for ra we have to put our third finger on the same string on the fourth fret, chura chura chura, like. And li, for li we have to put our last lady finger on fifth fret. For this we have to make our flexible fingers, and for flexible fingers we have to do exercise of this. I am very fast in this exercise. Okay, come to the point. And we have to open our this last lady finger. Chura liya. And for hey, we have to चुरा लिया. For have we have to make this third finger also open. For तुमने we have to put our third finger again. चुरा लिया and then है and तुमने जो चुरा लिया and for चुरा लिया for है तुमने be like this है for pause for some time and then तूने जो for dil we have to make the third string open. Dil and for ko we have to strum the second last fifth string by lady finger on 4th fret. Okay. Fifth fret. Okay. नजर नहीं चुराना सनम is the same, but we don't have to make the string open. We have to slide from second fret to first fret, like very fast. नजर नहीं चुराना सनम. Okay. And बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी. It is सनम is the same as चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को. नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदलना जाना सनम is the same. And for this one, like this, we have to make our first finger on second string, third fret, and we have to strum it twice. First, we have to strum it twice, and pause for some time, and then we have to put our third finger on 5th fret. And we have to make that longer and longer. We don't have to strum at the third time. Okay. Then again, and then we have to put our first finger on 2nd fret, strum it twice, and then we have to put our third finger on 4th fret, 3rd string. And then 1 2 3 3 2 3 2 3 2 and then चुरा लिया. Okay, and then we have to put a minor, and at last we have to touch our palm like this. Okay, so that's the song, and I hope that you will enjoy this song. And my next song is on Sandeepa Nature at Facebook, and on YouTube is Tumio from the movie Ashkedo. So today's guitar lesson is completed, so goodbye.